Osmo Mobile 2. Preparing your Osmo Mobile 2. To charge the Osmo Mobile 2, connect the DJI standard power cable to the charging port. When the battery level indicators blink, it indicates that the battery is charging. The battery is fully charged when the battery level indicators are solid white. 1. Mounting the mobile phone horizontally. Place the mobile phone in the mobile phone holder and keep the mobile phone's right side close to the tilt axis. Loosen the balance adjustment knob and adjust the adjustable arms left or right until the roll axis is balanced. Tighten the knob. Adjust the position of the mobile phone holder until the mobile phone remains level. The mobile phone is now mounted horizontally. 2. Mounting the mobile phone vertically. Loosen the holder lock knob and rotate the mobile phone holder by 90 degrees. Tighten the knob. Place the mobile phone in the middle of the mobile phone holder. Hold the Osmo Mobile 2 horizontally and move the mobile phone until it remains still. Hold the handle vertically, loosen the balance adjustment knob, and adjust the adjustable arms left or right and the mobile phone holder until the mobile phone remains still. Tighten the knobs. The mobile phone is now mounted vertically. 3. Activating with DJI Go. Press and hold the power button for 1.5 seconds and release it. When the system status LED turns solid green, the Osmo Mobile 2 is powered on. Launch DJI Go. Select Osmo Mobile 2. Tap Connect and connect the Osmo Mobile 2's Bluetooth. DJI Go will prompt you to activate the Osmo Mobile 2, following the on-screen instruction. Enter your DJI count. Tap Activate to activate the Osmo Mobile 2. Now you can use your Osmo Mobile 2. Thank you for watching.